Hello gorgeous, welcome back, or hello if you're new. Today I'm doing a whole video around how to smell incredible all day long. These are just gonna be my little tips, tricks, and secrets, and also just share with you guys some products in order to achieve this. I did go ahead and put everything into this little basket next to me, so I'm gonna kind of go through that, and I will of course have everything linked down below. Before I jump into it, make sure you guys are subscribed. I am going to kind of separate this video into two big categories: body care and hair care. I feel like the best compliment is when someone says you smell good and you could just smell that person when they walk by and it just smells so divine. Let's just jump right into it. I am gonna start first with everything that has to do with body care. Of course, it all starts first with your shower. Number one is double cleanse. You want to start first off by washing your body with just a bar of soap. I have been using the Dove bar of soap for years now. I just think it's such a staple to add into anyone's body care routine. I preferably like to use the unscented one, and this is basically just going to be the cleanse that really helps you get rid of the excess dirt, oils, and buildup on your body. Something I recently started incorporating after that is going in and cleansing again with your favorite scented body wash. I have been using the Body Proud Bright Boost Body Cleanser, and this is super fresh smelling. I believe there's magnolia in this. It's such a nice scent, and this is really just going to also really make sure your body is completely clean, but this is also going to help bring the hydration and also allow you to keep smelling good. Really want to make sure that you are cleansing properly your underarms, your groin, and your butt, because those are the areas that have the most sweat glands. Make sure you focus on those areas. Number two, exfoliate. I have been loving the Tree Hut Cocoa Colada. This just smells like a beach vacation. Coconuts and pina colada. I'm obsessed with this scent. The exfoliant is really just gonna help get rid of the dead skin cells all over your body, and it's just overall gonna make your skin really soft. This scent really lingers as well, and I really do love Tree Hut. I recently jumped onto the bandwagon of this. I just find it's not too abrasive and like aggressive on the skin. Of course, I do exfoliate like once a week. You don't want to do it every single time. That's everything when it comes to your body care in the shower, and now I'm going to kind of go into post shower. So the next step, number three, is to moisturize. I have so many tips and tricks when it comes to this, but my number one tip is to moisturize with the same scent as your body wash. So I've been pairing my body wash with the exact same moisturizer. So this is the Body Proud Bright Boost Moisturizer. It's the exact same scent, and this is really gonna hydrate your skin and really seal in that scent. And if you want to take this to the next level, next go in with some sort of body oil on top of your moisturizer. This is just really gonna seal everything. It's going to make your skin super soft and supple. In the end, fragrances will last longer on your skin if your skin is nice and hydrated. That leads me to number four, and that is choosing your signature scent. Of course, perfumes are amazing when it comes to helping you to smell good all day long, and I wanted to talk to you guys about my favorite scents that I've been using now for months, and that is Dossier. If you guys haven't heard about Dossier, listen up. I'm so happy that I switched over to Dossier, and I've been using them now for months, and I really don't see myself turning back. I'm so happy to be partnering up with Dossier on this video, so I have to give a huge shout out to them. Essentially what they do is they take your favorite designer scents and they dupe them for a fraction of the price. They really believe that you should be able to enjoy those luxurious scents without those markups, because perfumes can get really, really expensive. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you know I love a good deal. I am gonna share with you guys my favorite scents I've been using from Dossier in just a little, but there are so many other ones to choose from. They have female scents, male scents, and unisex scents as well. I love the packaging. It's very sleek and modern. It's also environmentally friendly and recyclable, and the actual perfume is really great because it it is non-toxic and it is ethically sourced. They do source from Grasse, France, which is the perfume capital of the world. It's not only an affordable perfume, but it's really great quality. These perfumes last on you all day long. I cannot stand when you find a scent and you spray it and it lasts like a few minutes and then it's kind of gone. These are not like that. I also find these to be amazing dupes. I really cannot notice a difference. I just love how it is so affordable and you're able to kind of switch up your scent a little bit more often, especially if it comes to different seasons or you just kind of are getting bored and want to refresh. I love Dossier for that as well. So my everyday perfume that I've been wearing, and if you guys like a very fresh and clean scent, you will love this one. And this is Dossier's Woody Sage. This is the dupe for Jo Malone's Wood Sage and Sea Salt. I love this. It's very different from any scent I had, but it has become my every single day scent. I'm so obsessed with it. Another really great one, if you guys like fresh and clean scents, is the Fruity Magnolia. And this one is the dupe for Versace's Bright Crystal. And let me tell you, I used to actually have that perfume many years ago. I cannot notice a difference. The next couple of scents are more like musky and sexy scents. These are definitely scents I like to wear more in the nighttime. Fruity Almond, which is Carolina Good Girl. And then I also have the Gourmand White Flowers, and this is the dupe for Viktor and Rolf Flower Bomb. So these are my 4 like top scents that I've been switching back and forth between, but I will have all the information to Dossier in the description box for you guys, so make sure you guys go check them out. They also have a really great return policy, especially if you are ordering scents online and you've never kind of smelt it before and you're kind of taking a chance. They have such a great like return policy, and they also do have like a try it out program as well. So if you kind of want to get little testers before you go ahead and buy something, like I said, this has been my go-to perfume company that I've been loving. I am also now gonna go into kind of my tips and tricks when it comes to application and how to get the most out of your perfume, because there are things that you can do to make your scent just really linger on you. The first one being apply it to the pulse points. The pulse points are basically the parts of your body that bring the most heat. So your pulse points include your neck, your elbows, behind the knees, and as well as your wrists. And when you do apply it onto your skin, make sure that you do not rub it. I remember I used to always like rub my perfume because I feel like that's what everyone used to do. It's better to allow it to dry naturally. And I like to apply my perfume out of the shower when your skin is still kind of damp, because I find it lasts longer when you apply your perfume on more like hydrated, damp skin. Post shower is when I will go in with my perfume. Another thing that's great to do post shower, and this is definitely something that you only need to do a couple times a week and not every time, and that is number 5, which is to tone your underarms. If you really want to make sure that you don't have any body odor, a great thing to do is just tone them. I really like to go in with either glycolic acid or witch hazel. And all you have to do is just apply a little bit to a cotton round and just rub it underneath your underarms. I wouldn't recommend doing this post shaving, doing it time where you're not shaving in the shower. It's just going to help get rid of the bacteria in the armpit that's going to get rid of that smell. Another great thing about if you use witch hazel is it can act as an antiperspirant because it really just dries the skin and closes the pores, which prevent sweaty underarms. So if you struggle with sweaty armpits, this is also a really great thing to do, but overall it's just going to really help to make sure that you don't have that BO scent. So those are all the tips and tricks that I like to do when it comes to smelling good all day with body care. Now I'm gonna move on to hair care because I love when your hair just smells so good. I love going to a hair salon. Your hair just smells so amazing after going to a hair salon. That is my favorite thing. I love to try and find things that's going to make my hair smell good, especially if you're gonna use heat on your hair. It can kind of give you that like burning scent. So it's great to find products that are going to make sure that your hair smells really great. So something I've recently been adding into my hair care routine and doing once a week, and that is number 6, add a detox shampoo to your hair care routine. So I love and recommend the Way Detox Shampoo. It's great for all hair types, and this is really going to get your hair feeling squeaky clean. It's gonna get rid of any product buildup, and it's really gonna make your scalp up clean. Whenever I use this, my hair is just so fresh and clean, and I can really notice a difference. And if I've used like a lot of product, especially, or if I just feel my hair is kind of like blah and I kind of need a refresh, I will go ahead and use my detox shampoo. Number 7 is just like your body and you follow up with a moisturizer. I like to wash my hair and follow up with a hair mask. So I also do this once a week. I of course go in with a conditioner if I'm not going to use a hair mask, but I also love the Way thick hair mask. I do have like thicker hair, so I went ahead and got this one, but they do have a version for fine hair, fine to medium. Makes my hair smell so good. The scents of the Way products, as you guys will see, are amazing. I love the scent, and as well as it just really hydrates my hair. It makes it super moisturized. When it comes to hair care, I try to stick to the same brands, but I do have like 2 brands that I've been loving. I love Way hair care products, and I do also love Moroccan hair care products. So I do have like the matching shampoo and conditioner, and I also do have the Way shampoo, and I will use like the matching conditioner when I'm using this. I just love that because they're very similar in scent, so it really helps to like really make the scent last in your hair, and it smells really great when you kind of do the same scents. Those are like the 2 brands I've been using for a long time. I notice a difference when it comes to hair care and investing kind of in more higher end products. And after the shower, I also do like to follow up with a leave-in conditioner. So of course I had to follow it up with the Way hair care leave-in conditioner. This one also smells amazing. It's just going to really help your hair linger with the scent, and of course it's also going to moisturize your hair and keep your hair healthy. And I also do love my Moroccan Protect and Prevent spray. So whenever I kind of use my Moroccan products, I always go in with this. It's almost done actually. I'm like so close to being done. I love the scent of Moroccan oil hair products. I've always loved it. My old hair salon I used to go to always use their products, so I've just grown to really love it, and I always used to love getting my hair done because I loved how it smelled after. Their hair care product smell is just so good. My next tip is number 8, and that is incorporating a hair perfume into your hair care routine. So if you want to take it to the next level and you just really want to smell really good one day, I have been using a hair perfume. In particular, I love the Moroccan Oil fragrance mist. So these mists are formulated for your hair. And if you don't want to spray it directly onto your hair, a tip I have is just spraying your hairbrush and kind of like brushing it through so it evenly disperses it. As I just said, you know I love a good Moroccan Oil hair product scent. So I love adding this, especially when my hair just feels like not the best, like maybe I just straightened my hair, curled it, I'm going out, I don't really want that scent. I love to use this and just spritz it all over, and I just feel like it smells so good. And my last tip, number 9, which is to avoid wearing synthetic fabric. So of course this can be a little bit more difficult, but if you really want to take it to the next level, or you find that you're struggling with smelling kind of like body odor, is to try and avoid those artificial fabrics of clothing like polyester, nylon, acrylic. All of those really harbor sweat and bacteria and causes an unpleasant, strong BO kind of scent. So if you're struggling with that, I would avoid those kind of materials and go for things that are more like linen or cotton. That's just a lot more breathable, is not going to lead to that like body odor scent. So those are all my tips and tricks when it comes to how to smell good and fresh all day long. Whenever I have like extra time as well to take like a nice good shower, I really love incorporating everything and just coming out and smelling so fresh and clean. And I really just try to find anything that's going to make me smell and feel my best. So I will of course have everything linked down below. And like I said, I will link Dossier down below for you guys. But I hope this was useful and you guys enjoyed it. If you want more like hygiene related videos, let me know what you want to see. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.